Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Inspired We Go. Today we are going to show you around the Lower Suwannee National Wildlife Refuge. We walked out this little trail. This is the Suwannee River. It's the second largest in Florida. And we're also gonna go check out some bats. So stay tuned.
Look how cool and creepy this trail is.
Okay, so we are at the bat house at the Lower Suwannee National Wildlife Refuge, and we're waiting until the bats come out of that bat house. There's over 100,000 in there if it's full. I don't know if it's full, but we'll wait and see, so stay tuned.
Thanks so much for watching this episode of Inspired We Go. Was this as fascinating for you as it was for us? We thought it was so cool how at dusk they all just basically fell out of this bat house. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe and that little bell so you know the next time we post an adventure video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.